get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. I'm a body boy, plus Maybach. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Make sure you keep your shooting between 10 and 2. Even if the birds flare back over the top, right over the top is okay. But just be careful with people to your left and right that you don't swing too far. You know, when you got them out in front of you and up on top, you're fine. But just be very aware. It's easy to get carried away as the birds start trying to peel out to go too far to your right with the guy right next to you or too far to your left. So just be very aware once you start taking your second and third shot of where you're going with your barrel. Everybody be safe that way. Once the birds are down, Garrett or I will ask for you guys to unload or bring your barrels up. We'll go out, retrieve whatever needs to happen. They kind of come fast and they come right away. And if you're unfamiliar with hunting these early birds, a flock of 8 geese comes in. There's only going to be 2 adults in that flock. So if we happen to dump those 2 adults, pretty good chance whatever's left for juveniles is going to make one big swing and come right back in. So after the volley, if there's birds that make it out, go right back to closing your doors down and reload your gun safely so that you're ready to go. Because a lot of times, like I said, they're coming right back in. So be ready for round 2. Anybody have any questions about anything?
No. Perfect.
Ready to take that wheat down the hill. I think so. Another little batch front left, going left to right out front. Right out front, guys.
Oh yeah.
Front left. Get ready, guys. Next time around. Wait for him. guys on the left ready? They
Yeah.
sat down. We have them dump them? Alright, you guys go ahead, sit up, and when they jump up, dump them. Got you three on the left. Go ahead.
Sit up?
Yep.
You guys
Yep.
Don't
Go ahead,
see-
sit up. They're on the ground to your left. Take them. That's alright. We're okay. We need to get them out of here anyway.
Yep, that's good.
Yeah. Should have shot before.
Next batch, guys, we're gonna take when they're right top left like that.
Yeah. I
That's how
didn't.
they'll-
I didn't shoot. It was too left for
That's
me.
alright. Now we know how they want to work.
Right too.
Right out front, guys. There's a flock coming over the pickups right now too. Alright guys, there's 3 to the left and a batch up front. We're going to sit up. When they get up, we're going to take them.
Good.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Shoot them, guys.
Yeah.
They're coming in.
They are flying very low.
Yep. Yep. I will shoot the one on the corner.